I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. Big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass.
Hey, Queens and Kings. All right, so we're about to jump into what is called my living room, y'all. Forgive me. So, but first, I want to say welcome back, welcome to all our new Queens and Kings. Shout out to all the old royalties. Thank you guys so much for supporting a little old queen. Girl, I could have been a rapper, but anyway, not today. That is not the gift that God gave me, but we're not going to talk about this. So what we in here for today is to talk about this living room. Okay, so I told you guys there are some changes will be coming. They are coming, child. I was just making little baby steps at this time though. But basically I brought you all on here today just to clean up the living room with me show you guys pretty much how I clean up my living room. Everybody else don't clean like I clean up. But this case here, it really was winding down and stuff after work and things like that. I just basically was trying to get the house a little bit organized because, honey, I'm tired of living in chaos, and the house have been chaos lately because little old me decided to do some changes in the whole entire house. So yeah, but first thing first is basically just dusting off my couch, trying to get it fluff and back to form, making it look all nice and pretty and everything. But in between, we're gonna actually find out something to watch on TV to help me pretty much focus on what I'm doing, what I'm actually not focusing. I don't know, lately I have to put on some type of podcast, somebody talking to something in the background, not showing them, not pretty, or decorating. Yeah, decorating too. It helps me, soothes me to the point that push me into cleaning or whatever I'm doing, because I can't focus now without actually having something playing in the background. I think that's something YouTube did though, because I wasn't like that when I first started doing YouTube. But anyways, so yeah, so now I'm just going about getting my pillows all fluffed up. I'm trying to condense on my pillows, honestly, so hopefully once I get the new living room set or a piece or whatever the case is going to be, because I still don't know what it's going to be at this point here. I don't have this many pillows on my couch. I don't know, but anyway, so these chocolate velvet pillow covers, those came from Amazon along with my velvet curtains there. If you guys would like to know, check out my Amazon store down below. I appreciate it. So all about here at this point here, I'm basically trying to figure out how I'm going to do this coffee table, because I can never style my coffee table how I really want to style. I have ideas in my mind, but my coffee table is not that big, so I can't put all that stuff on there, and I have to remind myself of doing it. Do you guys do that? I don't know, maybe just me. Could be. But anyways, we just basically going to tighten up the living room, because it's actually, like I said, it's after work and getting dark. If I did not say that part, or it was already dark at this point here, I basically just want to do a little tighten up. So if you guys enjoy type of videos like this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's just tighten up my living room with me. Maybe you have to tighten up your living room or whatever you want to do, or just sit back and enjoy the content. Okay, Queen's King, and I'll come back to you guys a little bit more.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark.
Yes, and of course, the guys, the boys just pop up. Just pop up. They wasn't there when I was cleaning. They wasn't doing none of that. Dre done came home. Don't just, I don't know. He just, Holy Spirit activate Andre into want to do basketball. They want to sit down and watch basketball and stuff. So now they in the living room. But he did be so nice and so kindly to sit on the floor. Don't mess up what I have just actually created and made so pretty and so organized, so neat. Oh, I just wish my home could just stay like this. But of course, when you have a family, you can throw that out the window, girl. Just throw that out the window. Just accept the moments, and just move on and just be grateful for them. Because that's what they are, moments. And those are the best memories you get. But as you all see right here, how the living room looking is all nice and pretty and everything like that. But I'm gonna give y'all a little inside scoop. It don't even look like this no more. It don't. Them changes I told y'all earlier that I want to do. Them changes. But of course, I'm gonna show you guys everything that take you guys along with me. So yeah. So if you guys enjoy content like this, cleaning, organizing, decorating, a little of my lifestyle and stuff like that, vlogs, family vlogs, or whatever the case may be, all things home decor, please go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, Queens and Kings, so this portion of the video is sponsored by Homie, where they actually reached out to me. I think I'm pronouncing that right. If not, I will leave it on the screen. But they reached out to me, told me good things about their company. You know, I went over there to check it out. I was like, let me see, because, you know, I'm all things home decor over here. So they had already had my attention from day one. So once they told me to go check out their site to see some items that I may love or that you guys may love too. So it was kind of pretty hard because you guys know I'm fully furnished over here. So I was like, I don't know. Y'all have so much stuff. I really don't know. So I didn't just want to pick out any little pieces or whatever, but I did. I picked out something that I pretty much feel like I would need because I'm trying to do some changes in the house. And I actually picked out these lovely bar stools here. They are metal. They are gray, as you all can see. So it's actually the color shade that I'm going for. But the gray, not the gray, the gold is not the exact color shade. It's more of a mustard or yellow gold. I would say it's not a metallic gold. That's more of what I have into my home. But hey, y'all know I'm DIY queen, honey. I get some spray paint in a minute. But yeah, so I picked out two bar stools to go to my counter there, and I'm loving these so far. I really do loving what I see, other than just the color. The color it didn't wow me or anything, but I do like how they look. I like that they actually very lightweight, to the point they were so lightweight that Andre was able to bring the box in. So I was a little skeptical about that though. But now that I have them all out the box and everything, and seeing how they look and feel and everything like that, I was like, oh, okay, these all right, let's see what they're working with here. So as you all see here, I am assembling the bar stools together, and nothing but just putting the base onto the seating onto the base. That's it. It's come with at least about 5 or 6 screws that they sent with the package. As you all see, I had ended up throwing the screws away to the side of the little red pack there, so I had to go back and get that. And as I'm going to use my trusty screwdriver to screw these in. Now you could do these by hand or whatever the case may be though, but that is all up to you. So here's the screws that they send me, and this is basically how you screw them onto the seat. Just easy and simple as that. So here's the chairs. I am in the chairs. Now, I would say the thing about this chair is if you have a wider bottom than I do, it will be not very flatter for you, because I'm actually hanging off on the sides or whatever on each side from my hips and thighs and stuff. So if you have a wider bottom, it would not be a good idea to sit up in this chair. Now, they pretty comfortable so far. They support my lower back. It's very sturdy. Even though that they came in a box, they was very light. They very light, but they very sturdy so far. But the only thing I'm afraid of is the screws up on the bottom. If those come up loose or doesn't be tight enough, probably loosen up. But other than that, so far so good. So yeah. Of course, Andre had to be in the video so well. But anyways, Queens and Kings, shout out to Homie for sending me this bar stool. Now, you guys know they sent me a discount, which is a good thing for you all. So therefore, go check their site out to see over there, to see what they all have. And I promise you, you will find something over there that you will love. It has everyone's style over there. Everyone's style. And you guys know I love me some glam. There's some glam over there, so go check it out. I will leave all the links to everything down below. Check them out once again. Use the discount code just in case if you decided to see something you want to do. Maybe you could save it for later and come back, or whatever the case may be. But I hope you Queens and Kings enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye-bye.